Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler and this is episode 2 of the in-depth DBMK 132nd Hawker Sea Fury FB.11 build. This is part 2 of the Cockpit build. Anywho, as you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like and ring my bell, that'd be brill. Thank you. So, to begin this episode, we'll be spraying the cockpit with Tamiya XF85 Rubber Black. So, without further ado, let's crank up the speedy uppy thing and crack on. There we have all the cockpit sections sprayed. Now to heavy stick the edges of the instrument panel. Here I'm using 3D Gizmo's ergonomic handheld painting aid. Very comfortable. Anywho, here we go with the instrument panel. There we have those cockpit parts painted and sprayed. Now for some panel lining and washes. I'm using a light grey here and it'll double up as a panel liner and a wash. As in most black cockpits I've been in, they tend to fade out to a sort of washed out black colour. It's really hard to describe this, but this will do the trick. So let's get it done. There we have the panel lining and wash all done as one, and to be honest, it was a happy accident that I found out. Now to clean up the worst of the wash and make this look decent, so here we go with that. There we go with the cleanup. See what I mean about the wash? A very happy accident. Next up, we're going to be putting all the colour back on the handles. We're using Vallejo 70.883 silver grey, Tamiya XF7 red and also XF3 yellow. But first, a bit of touch up where the rubber black has missed. So let's get this lot cracked. There you go, we even managed to do the seatbelt buckles in silver. Next, we're going to be closing up the cockpit. I'm going to start by super gluing the seatbelts down. Here we go with that. We've taped the sides in to keep the instrument panel in place. It needs to be exactly 11mm from the front firewall. As you can see in the image, this has to be precise, otherwise it won't fit in the fuselage. As you can see here, I'm nearly 0.8 of a mil out. Quite a big gap considering the scale, so we need to unglue it and reglue it. This is where I think DBMK could have put a bump stop or something in to help the modeler get the positioning right, but it is what it is, so let's get this resolved. There we have that part re-glued. Let's hope it's correct. Now we can get the side panels cleaned up, ready to fit. They have very fine tolerances, so we need to make these mating surfaces nice and clean. So here we go with that. There we have all the parts glued together for the cockpit. Hopefully that will fit in the fuselage correctly. Now for the glamour shots. There we have the cockpit done and ready to go in the fuselage. Anywho, thank you to you for watching episode 2 of this in-depth DBMK 132nd Hawk Sea Fury FB.11 build. If you want to see what happens in episode 3, then please subscribe to my channel, help it grow, like the video, leave a comment and ring my bell. Remember folks, stay safe, keep on modelling.